Right now, the Bitcoin price action is about to flash another signal we have seen for the past 4 times, what has resulted in a significant Bitcoin crash. So in this exact video, I will be talking about this signal right here that is not confirmed yet, but that could be playing out here in the beginning of 2023. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. It will be a short one, but a very important one. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. I will go over my trade and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above 300 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at the imminent short term for Bitcoin, we can currently see that Bitcoin is still trading in this consolidation range. And like we've been expected, probably today is going to be another boring day. And even the day after is, so tomorrow on the New Year's Day, we will once again also expect to see a very boring day. So don't expect that there's going to be a lot of volatility since markets are currently closed. And it is just not likely that we're going to be having any big swings over the course of this weekend right now. So I expect to see Bitcoin trade somewhere around this region to 17 to 16.2K. Furthermore, if I look at the 1 hour time frame, we can start to see that we're creating somewhat of a downward sloping support line for Bitcoin, and that this support line has been providing support and basically also bounced off from this very important level. You can see it clearly happening over here. And if I'm also setting up the downward sloping resistance line, we can also clearly see that the top side right here is providing resistance right now here. So we're trading in somewhat of a parallel channel, right? So we're trading in a downward sloping trend here. The top side every single time providing resistance, the lower side providing support. And due to that, I will be definitely look at this downward sloping resistance line. And if we do break above it, we probably will see a further continuation towards the upside. However, if we see another rejection, the likeliest targets are somewhere around this downward sloping support line, right? So that is exactly the level that we'll be looking at. And also, of course, still at the blue box. If we break below the low point of the blue box, we're probably going to have a bigger swing towards the downside, and also vice versa. If we are having that swing above the range high, so above $17,000, we probably will also even see a bigger swing towards the upside. Right now as well, if I look at the daily time frame for Bitcoin and set up the RSI, we can currently see that historically speaking, and I've discussed this in the past as well many times before, the moment where Bitcoin breaks the RSI uptrend and it confirms the break below, it basically is always the start of another swing towards the downside. You can see it happening in here in April. You can see it happening over here once we break, of course, below that RSI uptrend, and basically the Luna collapse also gets started. Then, of course, we had it another time over here, and look at all these moves down here. We moved down like 25 to even 40% towards the downside after we cross bearish. And also right here, after the FTX collapse, we crossed bullish and we moved down significantly. Of course, it happened mid-wall, but it still means that we dropped an approximately 25% from that point. And like you can see, if I remove the RSI, we are clearly still trading in a downtrend, and we want to see this getting changed up, right? So we are seeing less and less extreme moves towards the downside. You can see somewhat of a rounding bottom formation, right? So you can see it coming down slowly but steadily. But right now we are seeing this signal about to be flashing again because we're creating an RSI uptrend. And if we really break below it, it could maybe cause some more problems for Bitcoin. So I will keep my eyes wide open on this one. Subscribe to the channel if you want to be staying up to date exactly once we do break below this important level. No matter what, if we do break down here, I will keep my position open. I'm currently in a small little loss of an approximately $4,000. However, I am going to dollar cost average more in towards this trade as we go lower. I'm currently 1.7x leverage long on this trade here. And like you can see next to my face here, I'm currently $114,000 long on Bitcoin of a value of 6.6 Bitcoin. So this is definitely by far a pretty big trade that I'm currently taking here. And I'm very well convinced that we're currently very close by the bottom. And that's also the reason why I'm currently opening it. If we do, however, move down towards levels of $14,000 to $13,000, I will add even more margin towards this trade, because at that point, I think the bottom could be getting confirmed. So if you are interested in trading or swing trading or scalp trading Bitcoin or any other crypto assets, you can do so on Bybit or BitGet. And if you sign up using the links in the description, you can get an additional deposit bonus. So make sure to check that out as well here. Also looking currently at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we are currently creating an upper sloping support line just like we did here previously around. And let me make this white for a second. And just like we did right here previously around, and just like we did right here previously around. So yet again, just like the RSI uptrend, we're also creating a daily support line on the price action of Bitcoin. And like you can see, so far we're holding on towards it. And if we really break below it, it means that we are confirming a lower low, but also means that the downside is way bigger for Bitcoin. If we really break below the upward sloping support line, things just can get much worse for Bitcoin. Then, of course, the last thing I want to be saying here, the weekly candle will close in 1 day from now on, and as long as we're closing above 16.2K, things are going to be looking good, because then we're still holding on towards the legendary support line. So it was a very short update video for today. But yeah, in the end of the day, is there a lot of things happening? And today it's New Year's Day. I've got a very cool video that I will upload tomorrow. So don't forget to check it out. Subscribe to the channel, slap up that like button. And I wish you guys all a happy new year. And I'll see you guys in 2023. Peace out. Goodbye.